Sir, you are ready to go.
So should I start?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. I think as I understand from the sign language, from the Vikasa team, I am assuming that you can all see me clearly and hear me clearly, though I am not able to listen to you or maybe follow. But I think yes, based on the thumbs up, I can understand that my audio and video is extremely clear. So let me begin first and foremost by uh, thanking all of you for giving me the opportunity to be in your midst this evening on this very important session that you have planned on global opportunities as well as opportunities in the digital era for chartered accountants. I think since the topic was digital and global, I think God Almighty decided that I should also use digital means to come and speak to you. And therefore, I'm not able to be with you personally. But that is on a lighter note, my dear friends. As you are aware, there has been a huge disturbance in the entire, I think, flight systems, airport across the country, and due to which even I was scheduled to be with you from yesterday evening, but I'm not able to come there physically because of the change flights. But once again, extremely glad and thankful to the entire managing committee team of Kolhapur branch who have facilitated very importantly this opportunity for me to interact with all of you virtually. My special thanks to CA Nitin, who is the chairman and who has constantly been in touch with me to try and see how I could be there with you. We looked at all possible options coming to Belgaum, coming to Mumbai, Pune, but I think, as I said, maybe in my destiny it was written that today I should come virtually, but I will definitely look forward to being with you physically. I also thank our council colleague Mangesh Kinnareji, who has been very important part of the entire Kolhapur branch, making sure that not just the infrastructure but all other best quality programs are being conducted in your branch. Friends, I will maybe spend a few minutes discussing with you about the opportunities that are there for chartered accountants in this technology and digital era. And I have been to multiple parts of Maharashtra in the past, interacted with a lot of chartered accountants, especially young chartered accountants, who would come to me and mention that, sir, what are the opportunities for me? Today I have qualified, or for those who have been in practice for a few years, would tell me that, sir, we have a small town, it's a official area, there are not enough audits, not enough companies, not enough industries. And what can I therefore do once I qualify as a chartered accountant and seek to become a member in practice? What are the opportunities which may be available to me? Is there something that I can do to grow my practice? I don't want to move to a larger city, larger town. I don't want to go to a Pune, Nagpur, and Mumbai. I want to still stay in Kolhapur. I want to stay with my family, enjoy my social circle that I am in, but at the same time, not restrict myself because of the limited opportunity. And I always used to, when I was in the regional council, when I became a central council member, and subsequently when God gave me the opportunity to serve as the president of the institute, I always used to emphasize one thing. And I think today more than ever it is true that with the advent of technology, it doesn't matter whether you are a chartered accountant of Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Pune, or sitting in a tier 3 city like Kolhapur, or even in the remotest part of the country. If you have the right skills and if you have the right attitude, just two things, skills and attitude, you can service any part of India or any part of the world. And let me tell all of you, friends, as Vice President of the Institute, we got the unique opportunity to host the World Congress of Accountants. I don't know how many in the hall got the opportunity to be in Mumbai for the World Congress of Accountants. If you could raise your hand and tell me if anyone in the audience was there in Mumbai when we organized the World Congress of Accountants. Yes, so I see the gentleman in the second row, but very few who actually went and participated and took interest in that event. And those who came will know it was a spectacle of sort. We had people coming from so many different countries, more than 125 countries, from where dignitaries came, and we discussed about the global accounting. But what that also was intended to do, and I'm very happy that today, 3 years later, I see whenever I go to smaller towns in Gujarat, in Maharashtra, especially in our region, and also in entire India, so many CAs have now started working for global clients. And friends, I think that is the real opportunity that lies in front of all of you. तो जो भी इस कमरे में बैठे हैं और सोच रहे हैं अरे यार ये अनिकेत तलाटी तो अहमदाबाद में बैठा है, बात कर रहा है कि आप काम कर सकते हो, मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ? बिलीव मी फ्रेंड्स, ये अनिकेत तलाटी को भी किसी ने आके यूएस से या ऑस्ट्रेलिया से या यूके से ऐसा नहीं बोला था कि भैया आप एक फॉर्म भरो, एमईएफ में अप्लाई करो और आपको हम फॉरेन का काम देंगे. दिस वर्क डज नॉट कम बाय एनी एम्पैनलमेंट. आपको राइट स्किल्स और राइट एटीट्यूड डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. So how many in this room are actually looking to develop, grow their practice and make sure that you are not just serving your clients in Kolhapur, but are serving clients globally? If you can please raise your hand. And yes, so to those who have that spirit, to those who have that outlook and positivity, let me tell you friends, today in the world of accounting, we are in a unique proposition and position where if you go to the West, अगर आप यूएस में जाएंगे और आज आपकी 2 दिन की ये कॉन्फ्रेंस है, इसमें आपने जो टॉपिक्स किए हैं, यही कॉन्फ्रेंस अगर कहीं और होती, यूएसए में होती, न्यूयॉर्क में उसमें या कैलिफोर्निया में होती या यूके में लंदन में होती, आपको मालूम है 10 में से 7 टॉपिक होते हैं. हाउ डू यू मेक द प्रोफेशन अट्रैक्टिव, हाउ डू यू गेट पीपल टू कंटिन्यू डूइंग अकाउंटिंग, हाउ डू यू गेट यंगर जनरेशन इनटू अकाउंटिंग. और हम ब्लेस्ड हैं कि we are in a country where we not only have 4 lakh chartered accountants, but we have 1 million, 10 lakh students pursuing chartered accountancy. And therefore, we have a huge pipeline of talent which is going to be readily available to pursue accounting. Or therefore, understand first and foremost why today Institute is talking about GCC, why the world is talking about global accounting. The reason for that is that वहां वेस्ट में यूएस, कनाडा, यूके, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, it is an aging population and declining accountants. We on the other hand are a young population and increasing number of people doing CA. And what this does is दुनिया में कहीं भी आप जाओगे, डिमांड एंड सप्लाई का खेल है. अगर गोल्ड की डिमांड ज्यादा है और सप्लाई लिमिटेड है, you have all seen what happened to the gold prices. Similarly, accountants in the West are in extreme short supply. And therefore, fresh chartered accountant in India who may find it difficult in Kolhapur to start a practice and make 8-10 lakhs. But if he starts working for US firms, believe me, he can easily set up just by doing the work by himself 15-20 lakhs worth of practice. और अगर आप 4-5 लोग और स्टाफ जोड़ लेते हो तो इजीली 80-90 लाख 1 करोड़ की प्रैक्टिस आप कोल्हापुर में बैठे बैठे कर सकते. इसके लिए क्या करना है? What you have to do, and I'm told there is a full session that you will have on some of these areas, but what I want to emphasize and tell each one of you is today at the institute we have MOU and MRA with 14-15 different countries. आपको अगर ऑस्ट्रेलिया का CPA करना है, you just have to give one exam and you can get the qualification of CPA Australia. You have to do ICAW, again very easy, you can get the membership of United Kingdom. Why it is important? Because आप अगर सोचते हैं कि मुझे इंडिया का अकाउंटिंग आता है और मैं पूरा ग्लोब का अकाउंटिंग खुद कर लूंगा, that is not how things work. If you want to, for example, जो लोग आज से पहले फॉरेन गए उन्होंने देखा होगा, इंडिया में अगर हम रोड के लेफ्ट साइड गाड़ी चलाते हैं तो वहां रोड के राइट साइड चलाया जाता है, स्टीयरिंग अलग जगह होता है. तो आपको वो सीखना पड़ता है. मैं ऐसा सोचूं कि मैं तो इंडिया के जैसे इंडिया की तरफ ही गाड़ी चलाऊंगा तो सारी गाड़ी आपके सामने आएंगे और आपका एक्सीडेंट होगा. वैसे ही आपको इन कंट्री की अगर नुएंसेस डालनी, if you are able to spend time and understand what is the difference between accounting in India, what is the difference in US GAAP, how does IFRS work in Canada, how does Australia do its work. I am not saying learn everything. Pick a country, pick an opportunity, develop your skill sets, do the local course, understand how accounting and taxation works there. If possible, try and work first with some of the firms who are doing this work. Understand that knowledge. And then maybe subsequently you can independently get this work. But today there are hundreds of websites where so many people are actively looking. आप LinkedIn पे भी जाओगे, कम से कम 1000 पोजीशन 1 जनवरी से सब कंट्रीज में वेस्ट में ऑडिट सीजन शुरू हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इन सब का ईयर एंड होता है 31 दिसंबर. हाउ वी एंड आवर ईयर ऑन 31st मार्च, दे ऑल एंड द ईयर ऑन 31st दिसंबर. There are hundreds and thousands of opportunities open online where they are looking for accounting, auditing, tax work support from India. Question is, how many of us want to build that skill set and are willing to give those services? And once you have the skill sets, all you need is the right attitude. अगर आप सोचते हैं कि मैं सिर्फ एक फॉर्म भरूं और उस फॉर्म भरने से एमईएफ में जैसे बैंक ऑडिट आता था वैसे मेरे पास यूके का कनाडा का काम आ जाएगा, तो नहीं आएगा. आपको इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, आपको एटीट्यूड रखना पड़ेगा दैट हाउ कैन आई जनरेट सच काइंड ऑफ वर्क. That can happen if you have the right opportunities that you can cite. You attend conferences where you meet different accounting firms who are in need of support services. You go online, look at various websites, portals, LinkedIn, and so many more tools where you can find that kind of work. But believe me, friends, I am talking to you in December. From next month, there are hundreds of openings in all firms in UK, US, Canada, Australia who are looking for people to help them. क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या मैं कोल्हापुर में बैठ के सिर्फ और सिर्फ कोल्हापुर के और क्लाइंट्स का काम करना चाहता हूँ, या आज मैं समझूं कि विद द यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, with AI, with cloud accounting and cloud computing, can I convert myself from being simply a auditor or an accounting person or a compliance person of Kolhapur and Kolhapur clients? Or can I broaden my vision? Can I broaden my horizon? And I can start looking at the global horizon. If you want to do that, my request and suggestion to all of you is, don't just today go on LinkedIn and start applying. Like I said, your first step should be building your skill sets. Understand कि अगर जो मैं अकाउंटिंग इंडिया में करता हूं उससे कैसे यहाँ अकाउंटिंग डिफरेंशिएट होता है. There are so many online courses available. My suggestion to you is use the MRA, the mutual recognition agreements that ICAI has with so many foreign bodies, and apply. मैं आप सबको एक चीज दिखाता हूँ. You can see my office behind me, right? Can you see this degree right behind you? ये वाली. Can you see it? This is CPA Australia qualification. मैंने ICAI का मेरा प्रेसिडेंटशिप के टर्म होने के बाद, people say कि you are ICAI president, you have led the entire profession for 1 year. After that, I have taken the qualification of CPA Australia. I have given CPA USA degree. तो कोई भी अगर इस कमरे में ऐसा सोच रहा है कि नहीं यार अभी मैं नया कर पाऊंगा क्या, नया क्वालिफिकेशन, there is no limit, there is no age bar. The only bar is my attitude and my thought process. And if I am willing to then change myself, adapt myself, learn new skills and get these qualifications, believe me friends, ये सीपी ऑस्ट्रेलिया का क्वालिफिकेशन जिस रूम में चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट मेरे भाई बहन बैठे हैं आपके लिए लेना बहुत इजी है. आप समझिए, इन्वॉल्व योरसेल्फ, अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द यूनिक अपॉर्चुनिटीज, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस. अगर हमारे वहां जीएसटी है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी जीएसटी है. बट आप अगर सोचोगे कि मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाके फॉर्म 3B 2A 1A भरूंगा, तो भैया वहां ये फॉर्म नहीं है. वहां के क्या फॉर्म है, वहां क्या लगता है, उस पर अगर आपने मेहनत कर ली, तो मैं तो बहुत स्ट्रांगली हर जगह ये कहता हूं कि हमारा भाई जिसने जीएसटी के रिटर्न भर लिए इंडिया के, उसको किसी भी दुनिया का सेल्स टैक्स, वैट या जीएसटी का रिटर्न भरना इससे तो डिफिकल्ट हो ही नहीं सकता. इट इज लॉट इजियर. क्वेश्चन इज, क्या मैं समय दे के उसको सीखना चाहता हूं, क्या मैं उसके न्यूएंसेस समझ के सही तरह की सर्विस दे पाऊं. अगर आप में वो स्किल सेट है, आप में वो एटीट्यूड है, then believe me, the opportunity is limitless. I'm sure the speaker after me will be able to share with you other growing opportunities. Since I was given 15 minutes to give a keynote address, I thought I will share some of my own personal experience. I started, of course, in a firm where we only used to do accounting and audit work and tax work in Ahmedabad. मैं खुद गया न्यूयॉर्क, खुद फर्म्स में घूमा, मिला लोगों को, और मैंने बोला कि अगर आपको कुछ काम, I will come be a part of your team. और मैंने वो काम सीखा, खुद सीखा, फिर मेरी टीम से लोगों को सिखवाया, और इतने अभी 100 लोगों को सिखा दिया कि वो यहाँ बैठ के ये काम कर. आज ये सब मैंने किया 2008 और 9 में. आज जब आप लोग यहाँ बैठे हो विद use of Zoom, use of technology, and more importantly, with the availability of technology, आपको ये वहां जाके भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप वर्चुअली मीटिंग करके भी अगले को कन्विंस कर सकते हो। बट सवाल इतना ही है कि जब मैं वो करूं उसके पहले मुझे वो राइट स्किल सेट्स डेवलप करनी चाहिए, सो दैट मैं कोई काम ले लूं और उसको अगर एग्जीक्यूट ना करूं तो ये आप सिर्फ आपका नाम नहीं बिगाड़ रहे, बट आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट इंडिया का ब्रांड बिगाड़ रहे हैं। और एक चीज, जो भी लोग इंटरनेशनल डोमेन में काम करना चाहते हैं, लेट मी टेल यू, हियर वी कैन हैव 19-20। अगर क्लाइंट ने बोला कि आप कब तक मुझे काम करके देंगे, आप कहते हो मैं 5 बजे भेज दूंगा, 5 का 5:30 होता है, काफी बार अगले दिन भी हम भेजते हैं तो क्लाइंट कुछ नहीं बोलता। But in the Western world, when you have made a commitment that I will deliver to you a report by 5 p.m., then the report should be in the inbox at 4:59, but it cannot be 5:01. So please understand, my dear friends, to all of you who are in the hall, who have come here to understand the global opportunities, the digital opportunities. I am sure the next speaker after me will enlighten. I had also prepared a PowerPoint presentation to show you some of these aspects, but sadly I'm not able to be among you physically to share that PowerPoint. But definitely, whenever I'm given the opportunity next time, I will love to come to Kolhapur and once again, discuss this threadbare with all of you. Today, the time that we are living in, very sadly, आज आप लोग सब फिजिकल है और मैं वर्चुअल हूँ, पर देखिए एक छोटी सी टेक्नोलॉजिकल ग्लिच की वजह से क्या हो सकता है। एंटायर कंट्री टुडे इज इन अ मेस। जो आदमी दिल्ली गया है वो 4 दिन से अहमदाबाद नहीं आ पा रहा है, जो हैदराबाद बैठा है वो पुणे नहीं आ पा रहा है। और टेक्नोलॉजी ने हम कितने डिपेंडेंट हो गए, और फ्लाइट्स और दिस एडवांस मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट से इतना हमारा डिपेंडेंस हो गया है कि आज मैं आपको सामने आ रहा हूँ, वर्चुअली आ रहा हूँ। मैंने कल अहमदाबाद में एक रिसेप्शन देखा जहां दूल्हा दुल्हन ने साउथ इंडिया में शादी की। कल रिसेप्शन उनको अहमदाबाद में अटेंड करना था, सारे लोग रिसेप्शन में तो पहुंच गए, दूल्हा दुल्हन ही साउथ से अहमदाबाद नहीं आ पाए, तो उन्होंने रिसेप्शन में बड़ी सी स्क्रीन लगा दी थी और सभी लोग आके उस रिसेप्शन में उनको मिल रहे थे वर्चुअली। तो आज हम उस जमाने में आ गए हैं कि रिसेप्शन भी लोग वर्चुअली कर रहे हैं। चलो शुक्र है शादियां वर्चुअली नहीं हो रही है, बट एटलीस्ट लोगों ने बाकी सारी चीजें काफी वर्चुअल शिफ्ट कर दी, और आज उसी कारण शायद मैं भी आज आपके साथ वर्चुअल हूँ, फिजिकल नहीं हूँ। बट नेक्स्ट टाइम आई वुड डेफिनेटली लव टू कम टू कोल्हापुर physically, discuss some of these opportunities that are there for Indian chartered accountants to become global accountants in the world. You have all seen, I had the privilege in 2023 as president of the institute. हमारा सालों से एक लोगो था, CA और ग्रीन टिक थी, बट हमने रियलाइज किया कि आगे जाते हुए जब हमें इंडिया की ब्रांड क्रिएट करनी है, इंडियन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट की ब्रांड क्रिएट करनी है, तो जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया का बंदा आता है और बोलता है मैं हाय आई एम सीपी ऑस्ट्रेलिया, आई एम जॉन सीपी ऑस्ट्रेलिया, या एलेक्स आके कहता है हाय आई एम एलेक्स आई एम सीपी आयरलैंड, तो मैं भी चाहता हूं नितिन जी और आपकी टीम में से जब नेक्स्ट टाइम आप कहीं जाए और ग्लोबल अपॉर्चुनिटीज की बात करें, हम भी गर्व से बोले कि हाय आई एम सीए नितिन, आई एम सीए इंडिया, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दिस न्यू लोगो with the tricolor has been placed so that we can carry the brand India strongly very forward. Today, Indian accountants are globally recognized. Like I said, there is a huge shortage in the West for good quality people into accounting. It is up to all of us to make sure that this demand supply gap, to ensure that this gap of skills, to ensure that this shortage of talent is totally filled up by our Indian accountants. And believe me, if we do that, today we are recognized as the IT hub of the world. We are recognized as the pharmacy of the world. दुनिया में कहीं भी दवाई की जरूरत पड़ी है, उसका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फार्मेसी का हमारे वहां होता है। Similarly, वो समय दूर नहीं है कि we will be known as accountants of the globe, and wherever accounting is done, a pizza may be baked in London and sold in London, but उसका बिल और अकाउंटिंग इंडिया में बनता होगा। We have already reached that stage, and going forward, I think the opportunity for us is humongous. We can control the entire accounting, bookkeeping, taxation, and forensic industry of the world. With these words, I once again thank the branch for inviting me for this special address. I hope I could give a keynote which was meaningful, and when I come next time, I will see many more people in Kolhapur who are exploring these global opportunities with the help of technology. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this meaningful session. Though physical session is not possible, But hear from you through VC is also a great opportunity. Thank you once again, sir. Now continue the session. CA Surulele sir is with us.